Hello everyone! Recently, many of you asked for a Cursor desktop version and hopefully one that supports domestic models because cloud models are really too expensive. So in this video, we will cover Cursor desktop installation, localization, and connecting domestic models. Of course, we will use DeepSeek for the demo. Let us look at our goals. There are 5. First, installing the desktop client. Second, using it without an account. Third, localizing the language. Fourth, connecting the DeepSeek model. Fifth, using your own keys. Let us go through them one by one. First, install the Cursor desktop client. I have placed the link here. We can just click to enter the official site, or you can copy the link directly from the document. We can see a prominent download button right when you hover over it. You see many options. The top one is desktop, which is what we need. Click it to jump to the download page. It will match your system automatically. For example, here is Windows, so it matches the Windows version. I will not download it again since it is done. Next, we run the executable file. Just follow the steps to install it. It is simple, so let us wait a bit. Okay, when you see this interface, it means the installation is done. So how do we sign in? You can see a button here where you can choose a login method, like using a Google account. Here, we will not use either. We will go with the account-free method, which is the second item we mentioned, using it without an account. How to do that? I do not want to deal with their account. So click the 3 bars in the top left corner. Click it, then go to Help. In the Help menu, select the third option, go down, and find the option to enable developer mode.
See it.
Right here, enable it. Just click on it. Then, it will ask whether to enable it or not. We choose the first one to enable, and wait for the Cursor client to restart. Okay, after the reboot, we will see this interface. Leave this aside for now and ignore it. Next, we need to install a new piece of software called CC Switch. We provide a link here, look. Click on this address. What is it for it? Manages your AI tool workflows. Simply put, it helps you switch between different models. No need to overcomplicate it. Click Free Download to enter the download page. It opens a GitHub address for downloading. You can also find this software directly in our resource pack. Note the version I am using 3.15.0, so do not use anything older. If you downloaded an old version or installed it previously, please update it. Old versions lack a reliable desktop configuration, so upgrade to the new one. Double-click to install. Next, next. Next again, it is a straightforward installation. Wait for it to finish. It is already done. Click Finish. Now, it opens this interface. See at the top. There is a desktop version now. You can see a small computer icon, meaning it supports the desktop version. How do we use it? Click the Settings button on the left, then go to Routing. Here, there is Local Routing. Click the downward arrow to enable it. Once enabled, go back and select the desktop version. After selecting it, click the Add button on the right side. Select the model you wish to load, for instance, DeepSeek. Choose DeepSeek. Then scroll down. You can leave these settings as they are, but we need an API key. Return to the browser. Here, open DeepSeek. Find the API documentation. Then, go to Key Management. There are many historical keys here. Create a new one. Let's call this Claude Code with an underscore. Code. Let's stop. Okay. Go ahead and create it. Copy the access key. And then return here. Paste the key in. Scroll down. There are 2 options here. You can configure them or not. What are they? There are context sizes. You should adjust them to fit your needs carefully. Claude context size. Checking this gives it a 1 MB context, which is larger. We recommend checking it. Ignore other areas. Then click Add. After adding, you must start it. Without starting, it has no meaning. Once started, you can close or minimize the software. Clicking the X will not close it as it minimizes, so just leave it minimized. We should close this as well. Back to our documentation, this step is complete. Once finished, return here. Click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now you see Developer appears. Under Developer, there is third-party configuration. See that? Click third-party configuration. You will find the information is already filled in by default, so ignore it. Previously, we could not click this because you had to configure it first. After configuring CC switch, you can ignore the rest. See, it is all done automatically. Click Apply, and we reboot. Once we reopen it, it has already entered the code interface. See, it is loaded. You can now chat with it right here. You can see the model includes Flash and Pro versions, right? Plus a 1 million token context version. We will choose Flash. Now you can chat with it, like asking who you are. It will quickly process your prompt. You can see it says it is Claude. Just ignore that. It can help you do many things, and the reply shows we configured it well. However, looking at this part, we feel it is not great. What is not great? Right now, everything is in English. See here, even in here, everything is English. Can we use Chinese? Yes. Next, let us talk about the Chinese localization. There is an address here. Let us open it. In this page, you can download it. Let us wait. Click here to download. It actually contains what it contains. Mac version Chinese localization here, and this is the Windows version with both versions included. Actually, we only need the Chinese version below. The Windows one is enough. I have already downloaded it. This is the downloaded archive. Let us extract the files. After extraction, we find a bat file. We double-click it. Once double-clicked, we run it. After running, you can see it gives 5 options. 1 is to install simplified Chinese, 2 is traditional Chinese, 3 is traditional Hong Kong, 4 is to restore the original, 5 is to exit. We are installing the simplified version, so I just choose 1 and press enter. This installation requires you to close the code, so it proactively closes it for you. We didn't close it manually. It will proactively close it for you, so it is also fine if you close it yourself before running this. Now, let us wait a moment for the localization process. Okay, when we see this message, it means it is localized. After finishing, it will automatically restart the code for you. So we can close this window now. After closing, we open the code again. You can see it has become the Chinese version, right? You can see create task, project, plan, custom. Right-clicking here shows everything is in Chinese, meaning localization is successful. Okay, for our previous QA here, you can see all the history is found. Okay, so far we have finished installing the code and we managed no account usage and API integration. We also finished Chinese localization. Now, the final step. That is using your own skill, because students ask me how to use their own skills in this desktop version. I don't know how to operate it, as it is quite different from the old CLI form, because with the old CLI form, we needed a folder named skills to store them. But this one requires installing it in the form of a compressed archive. Detailed knowledge about skills won't be covered here, because in previous videos, we have fully introduced what internal skills are. From basics to practice, we explained everything clearly. You can check my homepage for the previous skill course. Alright, next, we use our own skills in the code. How to do it look? We can create a new task, making it move to the top for easier operation. Then, click this plus sign, and there is a skill section. There is a Manage Skill option, see, and there is an Add Skill button. If you click Add Skill, you will find it cannot be added directly. It asks for organization or plugins, right? Ignore that. Just click this skill button. Click Manage Skills. After clicking Manage Skills, we click Add Skill again, and then click Upload Skill. Here you can upload your skill. you can see the file requirements are either MD files, archives, or skill files. This shows it can upload your skills. For the skill, we use the one I wrote before. This is the one we wrote while teaching skills. Let us find it here. There is an Ivan create 5 concept, right? Okay, we compress this into a zip file. Now, please switch back over and then go ahead to drag it in right here. Just watch us drag it in. Once it is safely inside, you now possess the Ivan Create skill. Now, head back home. Type a / here, then you can select a skill, choose our Ivan quality, and help me generate a forward.
Concept.
What kind a weekend beer? Free concept. Okay, hit enter. It will actually start working for you. It is thinking now using the skill of your own Ivan Q. See, it asks if we want a poster or a banner. We just tell it text. Write enter. No, just show the concept. We do not need images since that requires extra setup. We just want to show the skill works. You can see it is generating for us now, right? Okay, generation complete. As you can see, it is decent. It followed our skill to create this. Okay, that is all. That covers the key points we needed to explain. Installation, account, Chinese setup, DeepSeek, and using your own skill. All done. Thanks for listening. See you next time.